This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to change the presser feet of the Sailrite Ultrafeed Sewing Machine. The process is the same for the LS1 as it is for the LSZ1. Changing out the standard presser foot is only required when switching to a specialty foot, like a roping zipper foot, a leather foot, or a larger cording foot. Using the lever at the top of the sewing machine, raise the presser foot. The outer presser foot is held in place with a screw. Use a slotted screwdriver and loosen the screw. Now the outer presser foot can be removed. Some specialty feet require the inside foot to be removed and replaced. It too has a screw, but this screw must be removed completely for the removal and replacement of that inside foot. For this video, we'll simply be replacing the standard feet. The inside foot can only fit one way onto the presser bar. Reinsert the screw and hand tighten it. Before tightening the screw completely, grasp the inside presser foot and lift it up. Then tighten the screw down securely. Then rotate the balance wheel towards you to lower the needle. Check to be sure the needle is centered between the opening of the inside foot. If you have the LSZ1 sewing machine, make sure you do this with the needle in the center position. To install the outside presser foot, slide it all the way up onto its bracket until it stops. Loosely tighten the screw, only enough to keep the foot in place. Then lower the presser foot. With the foot lowered, rotate the balance wheel forward and backward slightly. Here we are showing it with the LSZ1 sewing machine. This process helps to sink the teeth of the outer presser foot with the lower feed dog. Now tighten up the screw. Now your presser feet are installed. Here's a little sewing hint. The presser feet are up here, but this is not the highest position up. If you grab the balance wheel and rotate it towards you until the outside and inside presser feet are almost even, now you have the highest position up to insert thick assemblies. Enjoy your new Sailrite Ultrafeed Sewing Machine.